Alors, nous allons continuer avec une partie qui s'appelle « Allons plus loin ». Let's go a little further. OK, allons plus loin. When two pronouns are used with a reflexive verb, we have to think about a reflexive verb as well. When two pronouns are used with a reflexive verb, the reflexive pronoun always comes first. And let's look at some examples. Je m'achète des vêtements. It's the verb s'acheter, S' à s'acheter, which means buy oneself some clothing, right? So we say je m'en achète. Je m'achète des vêtements. Je m'en achète. So here the reflexive pronoun is first, and then we replace des vêtements with en. Je m'en achète. Alice s'est coupé les cheveux. She cut herself the hair, or she cut her hair. So it's se couper. So we keep se, and then we replace les cheveux with les. We place it right after se, and we'll end up with elle se les a coupés. And we do the agreement, right? Because we have a reflexive verb, we have direct object pronoun, and we add the agreement of the past participle with les. Je les y amène. It means I bring them there. Je lui en donne. Here are some other formations, right? Je les y amène, les y. Je lui en donne. I give him or her some of it. Elle m'en prête. She lends me some of it. Elle m'en prête. Il nous en vend. He sells us some. And look at the caption here. Comment est-ce que je vous les coupe? How do I cut them for you? Je vous les coupe. I cut them for you. Je vous les coupe. Now, let's look at la construction faire plus infinitive. Note the use of the construction faire plus infinitive. Here is an example. Je fais développer des photos. I am having the pictures developed. So here we have a faire plus infinitive, which is an infinitive construction, but that has faire specifically as verb one. Je fais développer des photos. Tu as fait réparer ton vélo. Here we have faire in the passé composé plus the infinitive following it, verb one, verb two. You had your bicycle fixed. Nous allons faire laver la voiture. So here we have the near future formation with the infinitive, aller plus faire plus infinitive. Nous allons faire, so if we have three consecutive verbs, as it is the case here, only the first one is conjugated and the rest are infinitive. We are going to have your car washed. Nous allons faire laver notre voiture. The construction faire plus infinitive is used to describe actions that people have done by someone else, right? If somebody has something done by someone else, we use the construction faire plus infinitive. In this construction, it's the verb faire that is used. In the negative, je fais réparer ma télé. Je ne fais pas réparer mon portable. So when we say I'm not having it repaired, je ne fais pas, we put ne pas around the first verb and then réparer comes after. It could be used also with pronouns. Ma montre était cassée. My watch was broken. Je l'ai fait réparer. Je l'ai fait réparer. So I had it repaired. In the passé composé with the object pronoun la. Ta voiture est sale. Your car is dirty. Fais-la laver. Wash it. So here we have the command form with la and the infinitive construction. So we conjugate the first verb and we put la after it since it's a command form. La construction, faire plus infinitive, is also used to describe actions that we make or have others do. Here's an example. Le professeur fait étudier les élèves. The teacher makes the students study. Allons plus loin. Let's go a little bit farther with this as well. So, la construction faire plus infinitive is used in certain expressions like faire cuire, to cook, faire frire, to fry, faire bouillir, to boil. Also, faire marcher, to operate an equipment, faire voir, to show. Here's an example. But before that, note that the use of se faire plus infinitive, so the reflexive form of se faire, plus infinitive to describe actions that people are having done for themselves. Je vais me faire couper les cheveux. So, se faire me faire here, conjugated, je vais me faire. I'm going to have my haircut. Je vais me faire couper les cheveux. So it describes actions that people are having done for themselves. And here is the order of the pronoun in one chart. So we start with the sujet, right? And if we have a negative formation, we put the ne pas around everything, including the verb. So it depends actually if the verb is in the passé composé, if we have double verb formation or infinitive formation, but all of this you have a chart for. But these pronouns, the first column, come before the ones in the second, and so forth. Okay, so here is when we actually come to the end of our video for aujourd'hui. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.